3, 2, 1, now. Wait, what is this horn?
Probably Esco van emote.
I have
There's
force.
really-
Do you guys have force?
Yeah.
Yes.
How?
Gaming.
Maybe just a bug.
Someone making like
There is an
sucks
adder
for him.
alive.
Where's Esco?
We are going back for now.
It's dead.
Yeah.
Well, someone has to chain bomb my side.
No, I'm here. And also upon us.
His new threat.
Come 5 seconds later, have nothing on the ground. Best tech.
Oh, me. Esco.
Yeah, I know.
In the front.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no. Oh, it's not even here yet. Full focus it. Help me.
Werner?
Oh. Focus, well. Nice. Let's hope Hyper's not in combat. Oh! Now he's gonna fuck the archer.
Yeah.
No problem. Let's go.
Gonna get the overcharging. There's another overcharge as well that follow. It's casting, so I can't get it anymore in.
Let's go.
I'm gonna have the both of them with me.
Keep up vigor. Share the lightnings.
We have to kill this one here.
We have to kill it, else the next one doesn't spawn. Focus the
They just
overcharges.
one. Just one.
Oh, maybe. Good job. Tell me when they're now. Focus the overcharges. Let's go.
Pulling in 3, 2, 1.
Don't stand in that lightning, poison spray. Make sure you have Poyon. Make sure you have Poyon. Oh, come on.
Pulling.
Keep up vigors. Focus the overcharger a bit on left. We're done.
3, 2, 1.
Wait. Wait a bit. Let's go. Oh, in the back,
Fine.
3, 2, 1, go.
Flow, hyper. Sprint up the stairs. Stack on the door. The brazier. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit, it's going to the fucking toad.
I can't get it away from there. I'm gonna try drag it in a bit. But
Taff, go.
nah, kill it there. Kill it there.
You calm down.
3, 2, 1.
No top. Okay, open. 3, 2, 1.
Multis. Put your AoEs on the overcharge, please. Kill it before next pins. Flow if you can get it. Sprint in. Roll the tolls. Oh, it's in the front of it. Wait, there's a shit ton of shit in the back. Let's go now. Let's go. Oh, people got hit by aerospray or not?
Converging.
Oh, gaming, nice.
Yeah, same.
Everyone's here. You can go
3,
instantly.
2, 1.
Back.
On me.
It's off.
Well, we just use the cooldown.
Yep.
That's fine. Who needs no def anyway?
And sub 9.
Unless.
Unless we wipe.
Yeah, I'll let you all die. Good night.
Sonic boom, die.
Nice one, guys. Nice one.
Nice.
Okay, good night.
Nice.
Good night.
It was a 50,
Night.
58 seconds.
Wait. People for one.